Look at the stuff they have over here.
Yeah! Hello you guys! Welcome back for another insane video! Today, I haven't done a video for over a week now, but now I did one! So today we have the Cracker Barrel the second time! Stay tuned!
A video of it. Look at the little bird.
Yeah? Oh, he's going this side!
Look at this one.
Yeah, this is so cool! Look, they also have a, what do you call, card!
You see these?
Oh, yeah! Look at this one! This
I would love those.
Yeah, it has like. Oh.
Look at that.
Look.
You see that? Come here.
What's that?
This little thing walks down. Look, see?
Look at this one. This one's so cute. It's a little snowman. That is so cute. Oh, they also have another one.
They got some nice Christmas stuff.
Oh, look at this. A big old
Candy.
No.
Look at that over there.
Oh, yeah.
You see this one?
Oh, yeah.
Look. That one lights up.
That is so
They have one over there too.
Where? Look at this one.
Look at that. There's it. Look, see the gingerbread house?
Oh my god! Maybe on Christmas I will do, we call it.
Look at all these little stuff you put on your
Look
tree.
at this one. This one's so cute.
See this one?
What's that? Oh my gosh! That's so cool. It's going to be
So you got a lot of stuff.
Look at this one. Look at this. Look at this
Yeah.
one. Hello.
Look at this spooky one.
Oh yeah.
See, that's a spooky
Look
one.
at this one.
Look at these checkers over here. You can actually get the checkers.
Where?
See, they have the little checker mats.
Oh! Wow, it's set it outside. We can play here. Right?
See, they have little mini checkers.
Yeah, a little mini. Before we play the checkers, Dad, show you guys on this side. They also have.
What else do they have?
Look, they also have cash registers.
Look at all these toys that they have.
Oh my gosh! Yeah.
Look at all that.
They also have a we call it phone. I wish I got this phone. This phone looks very cool.
What else do they have?
Look at this. They also have cars, you know, to drive in.
I want to go check out the more Christmas stuff.
Me too.
Like the
Yeah.
Christmas trees. They've got like 4 trees over here.
Yeah, they have like what do you call it? 14.
They even got Ghostbusters.
Are you recording? Record this. Record this. Look at this. This is from.
Scooby-Doo.
This is related to Scooby-Doo. So
Look, they've
yeah,
got Slimer.
Yeah,
They got
from
the candy because Halloween's coming up.
Yeah. Something strange in the neighborhood. Who you want to call? Ghostbusters.
Look at, you know what that is?
Yeah.
That's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Oh yeah, he was in the Ghostbusters movie. Look at this. They also have.
They have the angel one over here.
Yeah, where's the angel one?
Look at there's a little angel there.
Oh my gosh! I feel like getting this and put this in my room. Look at this one. This
I know
one.
what this one does.
Maybe you open it. What happened?
The Nutcracker Suite.
Oh yeah. Look at this one.
I guess it says Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You got a tree up here.
Look at this. They also have. Look at this. They also have. We call a.
Some more stuff.
Record
So
this.
cool. Look at that.
Yeah, this is so cool. What about if you
See
press
this one?
Oh, that looks so cute.
You got this one right here. And look at the horse.
Oh yeah, it looks so.
And you got the tree right here.
Christmas
Look
tree.
at the little bulb in the church.
Look at this one. They also have we call it church.
Yeah, I like this one. See that? That's so cool.
Yeah.
And then look at that. Do you see the thing at the top?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Flying angels?
There's flying angels.
That's so cool,
They
huh?
probably have magic so they can make the angels.